out here. It's December 10th. It's second to the last day of muzzleloader season here in Wisconsin. And we're trying to wait on a mega giant. I got in here kind of late. Deer cast says okay. It doesn't say good, it doesn't say great, but don't matter. Still got a buck tag yet, and yeah. So there's two good bucks. There's two nice ones. So two. One mega giant, and yeah, we'll see what happens. It's cold, but might get some of these bucks on their feet this morning. You never know. Stay tuned and see what happens.